Listen, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the
Greetings, YouTube. Lighting on this back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, we're super excited to be introducing you guys to a grow experiment that we've been conducting here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel for approximately the past 14 days. That's right, YouTube. If you've been following our channel for any significant amount of time, you guys are well aware of the fact that we simply love conducting grow experiments here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. And today's video is indeed about one of those such experiments. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what we have growing on, and show you and tell you guys exactly what and who inspired us to indeed conduct this grow experiment. Hang tight, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, for approximately the past 14 days, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia, we've been conducting a grow experiment. This grow experiment was indeed inspired by a channel that we follow here on YouTube by the name of Homegrown Veg. If you guys are currently not already subscribed to Homegrown Veg, be sure to click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to their channel and see exactly what they have growing on in their gardens over there as well. At any rate, YouTube, I'm going to swing this camera around for you guys and show you guys exactly what we have growing on, and show you guys exactly how well or not well this particular grow experiment is currently going for us right here, right now at day 14. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you see that, guys? Indeed, YouTube, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia, we are currently growing carrots in buckets. Again, we were inspired to conduct this grow experiment by our channel that we're currently subscribed to by the name of Homegrown Veg. And if you guys, again, are not already subscribed to Homegrown Veg, be sure to hop over to their channel and see exactly what they have going on in their gardens there as well. They have a lot of interesting things going on, and they are indeed the reason why we are currently conducting this carrots grow experiment in buckets midsummer here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B here in Tifton, Georgia. Most of you guys know most varieties of carrots are indeed not warm weather crops. And again, it is midsummer here in Tifton, Georgia, where our gardens are currently located. And that's, YouTube, one of the main reasons why we indeed planted our carrots in buckets. We planted our carrots in buckets, YouTube, so that we could actually move them into and out of the sun as necessary. We put them out in the sun first thing in the morning when the sun first comes up. And right before midday, when the heat of the day sets in, we move our buckets of carrots into a more shady area. We leave them there until around 5 o'clock in the evening, and then we set them back out in the full sun. Although the sun is passed over, they get indirect sunlight until the following morning. At any rate, YouTube, this is indeed day 14. We planted approximately 30 carrot seeds in each one of these buckets. We acquired these carrot seeds from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. They sent these seeds last season as part of a package to help jumpstart our channel. These seeds are indeed a product of Johnny's Selected Seeds up in Winslow, Maine. We planted some of these seeds in our garden last year. We had tremendous success growing them last year. So we thought that we would indeed try our friend Homegrown Veg's method of growing carrots, which seems to work so well for them over there. We thought we would give it a shot here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel again, even though it is midsummer here, and they are indeed, YouTube, and they are indeed doing quite well. Again, today is day 14, and as you can see, our carrots are every bit of 4 inches tall on day 14. We did lose a few. We did have a few seeds that actually didn't germinate, and that's okay, YouTube. Again, we planted 30 seeds in each bucket, and from what we have here, even though not all of those seeds did in fact germinate, we do have 3 buckets that are completely full with carrots. We can't wait to see how well or not well this particular grow experiment goes for us right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. We do indeed, YouTube, expect to be harvesting these carrots around November. We'll keep you guys updated approximately every 2 to 3 weeks on the progress of these carrots that we are currently indeed growing in buckets. But yeah, YouTube, yes indeed, yeah. Inspired by homegrown veg, we are indeed growing carrots in buckets. And things are indeed looking quite well. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, YouTube, yes indeed, yeah. Carrots in buckets, inspired by homegrown veg. Thanks for watching.
Ain't out here dissing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you took my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world give me like the last time. So I make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep one from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 This instrumental remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't out here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why y'all hate?